Do you feel stuck in a rut and frustrated with your life going round and around in circles? Are you fed up with reading all the books, taking all the courses, following all the advice of the expert telling you, do morning routines, read affirmations, think positively, meditate and do all those other things, and you are still not getting where you want to be in life? Or maybe it's that you know that the law of attraction is true and it exists, but it is driving you crazy because it just won't work for you. Well, if that's you, I have phenomenal news for you, because in this video, you will learn the real reason that the law of attraction fails and 3 tips on how to make it work for you and fast. My name is Aaron Timms and I am the creator of Conscious Success, a training and coaching academy teaching leaders who are passionate about making a difference to heal and become spiritual millionaires. A spiritual millionaire is someone who becomes a millionaire by fulfilling a spiritual mission. And we do this through our training and our coaching programs and our superconscious ascension process, so that you can recover your life force and gain mastery over all areas of your life. Now, one of the most common frustrations I see in this field and with most of my clients when they first come to me is that they have been trying to create a life that they love for years and they still don't have it. They just can't quite get it. So that poses the big question, why? Why not? Well, here's the reason. And when I share this with you, you will begin to notice this everywhere you look in life, because it's the #1 reason why most people never get what they truly want in life. In its simplest form, the reason is because we are taught we need to create a better life for ourselves by fixing the problems in the one that we have now. Now, this in itself causes the very blockage of creation, because you are forced to focus on problem solving as opposed to creating. And most people spend their lives problem solving instead of actually creating. You will have to agree with me when I say this. Energy attracts the same energy, right? What we focus on, we attract, right? Science has proven that human consciousness can actually collapse energy waves into energy particles, meaning that we literally create what we focus on in physical matter. Now, we don't need to go into the realms of quantum theory on this, because it can be simple, and it's simply what we focus on, we create in our lives, whether we want to or not. True or true? So it makes sense then that if we are focusing on fixing our current reality by solving the current problems in our lives, we're also focusing on creating the problems in our lives unknowingly. The result being that when one problem is solved, another gets created and we keep getting stuck. And it doesn't matter how many hours of meditation you do or how many affirmations you do, if you focus on life, if your focus is on creating a better life for yourself by fixing your current life, it just won't work. It's that simple. So when I earn more money, my life will be better. When I heal my body, life will be better. Notice this creates a now is not enough kind of thinking and feeling and energy. And most people focus on healing their body, fixing the problem of health, instead of focusing on creating optimum health. Most people focus on earning money, fixing the problem of being broke, instead of focusing on creating wealth. Most people focus on fixing their relationship, fixing the problem of an unhappy relationship, instead of focusing on creating and nurturing a loving relationship. Can you see the pattern here? Can you see the problem in this, that this is a problem-focused orientation? Most people are always focusing on the problem, and you get what you think about most. I go into this in more detail and more depth in my book. It's called Everything Starts With You, which is going to be released early next year. And I'm going to be doing more videos on this, so please like, comment, subscribe. You're going to get so much value. So now, I've shared with you a very basic understanding of why the law of attraction fails for most people. Here are 3 simple tips to help you begin to master getting what you really want in your life. Are you ready? Number 1, clarity. Get absolute clarity on what you want and why you want it. You need to know why you want something first, because if you want it to fix a problem in your life, it's not a true desire. And the moment it stops causing you discomfort, the desire will evaporate, you'll stop creating your want, your attention just goes elsewhere, boom, you don't get what you want. Identify what you truly want to create. For example, optimum health, and then write a list of things that you desire to create to reach optimal health. Very simple, right? Another example is financial freedom. Write what figures it is that you actually need to achieve every single month to be financially free. Write a list of all the things you desire to create to reach that figure. Keep it very, very simple, guys. This is simple. Number 2, purpose-driven action. Take action that is needed to create your true wants. This is one of the biggest and the most obvious overlooked elements of creation. People have this idea, they think that the universe will just deliver all of their wants straight into their lap and it's that easy. The universe gave you a body to move through space and time to collect all of your wants. Use it. Look at the list that you wrote in step 1 and make a list of all the actions that you need to take to make your wants happen. And the faster that you take purpose-driven action, the faster you get what you want in life. You can have anything that you want in life, but you have to create it. Number 3, master your attention and your awareness. Again, this is very important. Now you have clarity on what you truly desire, and you have a list of purpose-driven actions to take, moving you towards your wants. Okay? It is important that you must master your awareness. Now, as I mentioned, your awareness is literally the thing that creates. What you think about most and what you focus on is creating everything. So it must be creation and not problem solving. But a phenomenal technique to do this is to accept all possibilities that may occur during the creation of your wants. And you do this by noticing when you're resisting and when you're experiencing fear. Write the fear down. Accept that it may happen to you and think of all the other possibilities that may also happen. Now, this is a very simple technique, but it is incredibly powerful because it releases you from your fears and therefore releases you from the invisible force that traps you in your current reality. And this is the same invisible force that pulls your attention towards wanting to fix problems instead of actually creating your dreams. And you will notice rapid changes in your life just by using these 3 very simple techniques, okay? And it's actually easy as long as you keep your attention focused on creation. I hope this video has helped you to understand why the law of attraction fails for most people and that you can actually have what you want and fast. If you feel you want more support in this, please check out my website in the description below and feel welcome to reach out to me. Please feel welcome to comment and I will get back to you as soon as possible. So, what did you learn from this video? What is it that you're going to take away from it? Go and write it down now, otherwise it will get lost. Comment below, let me know. I would love to hear from you and start a conversation, and I would love to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for your time and your energy. And remember, this lesson is enough to change all of the results in your life and help you finally get what you want. It's getting absolute clarity on your desires and why you want them, taking purpose-driven action, and mastering your focus point in life. Now, if you have any questions, please feel welcome to reach out, to comment below, and I will get back to you with an answer to help you grow and evolve fast. See you in the next video.